How to change Google account photo on Android. This tutorial shows you how to update your profile picture for your Google account on your Android device. First, launch the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Google to access Google Settings. Following that, tap on Manage your Google account at the top. Now, you'll be taken to your Google account page. Moving forward, tap on the Personal Info tab at the top. Afterwards, scroll down until you see Photo section. In addition to that, tap on your current profile photo to edit it. Once the photo menu opens, you'll see options to take a photo or choose from gallery. Subsequently, tap on Choose Photo from Device to select an existing image. Moreover, browse through your gallery and select the photo you want. Afterwards, you can crop and adjust the photo by pinching or dragging. Then, position the photo properly within the circular frame. Within this section, tap on Done or the checkmark icon to confirm. Alternatively, if you want to take a new photo, tap on Take Photo. Once selected, your camera will open for you to capture a new picture. Then, take the photo and tap on the check mark to proceed. Afterwards, adjust and crop the image as needed. Then, tap on Save or Done to update your Google account photo. Moreover, your new profile picture will sync across all Google services. Afterwards, the updated photo will appear in Gmail, YouTube, and other Google apps. Then, you've successfully changed your Google account photo on Android. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you change your Google account photo on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.